This is one of my favorite rides in the Magic Kingdom, even though I've only ridden it once. Splash Mountain is going to be undergoing some theming changes soon, but it's still here and running right now in its traditional manner. Although it's actually down right now. It's been down for quite a few minutes. And people are kind of afraid of it. It's mostly psychological though. The drop is like 50 or 55 feet, something like that. And it is pretty steep down, but it's a water ride and you splash down into water at the end. It's honestly really not that bad. It makes it look worse because as you're at the top looking down, you go through the briar patch right there, and going through the slightly darker area of the briar patch with the gnarled branches all around you makes it seem like it's a worse drop than it really is. So yeah, you don't really need to be terrified of this ride. It's really not too scary or bad at all. It's just nice wet fun. I would say go ahead and take a chance and ride this if you haven't, because it's one of the classics here at Walt Disney World and you should give it a try. Here's the final loop around at Splash Mountain. And from this angle you can see how it's all psychological, how it makes you think it's going to be more scary than it is. So they've been down for about an hour now, but they're testing ride vehicles. Make sure they're working okay. Hopefully they'll get it back up running later. But let's keep an eye on it. We'll see. I know it's only like a 1 or 2 second drop. And here we go. The tips and 1001, 1002. About 2.5 second drop. It's not super fast, and it's not really scary when you're actually on it. I highly recommend you give this a ride. The reason I've only been on this one time is not because I've been afraid, but rather because every time I've been here it's either been super crowded or I just haven't felt like taking a chance of being wet the rest of the day and walking around in wet shoes and wet clothes. But honestly, it was a blast. I rode it a few years ago, and I say it builds excitement as you're going up higher and higher around different loops and curves and turns, and then you get to the final drop and that was really fun and not scary at all. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my channel. If you get a chance, please click that like button and hopefully subscribe too. It really helps.